Okay, so these are plain simple options. You can say, for example, first is the buy call. So what does it imply? So it is giving you an option to buy, option to buy, but not the obligation to buy. Okay, so if you see that market is in your favor, for example, your call option is in the money. In the money means you are in a little bit profit, so then you can execute this option. For example, this is a graph, this is the payoff, and this is the price that you are going to pay. Okay, and what will be the diagram of it will be look like? It will be look like this. Sorry, uh, I'm still not used to it. It will look like this. Okay, cool. So this section is the premium paid. This is the break even, and this section will be, for example, this section will be the profit that you're going to have. So if market moves beyond this rate, then it will become in the money, and if it does not do so, it's out of the money. The maximum loss that you are going to have is this premium paid. Okay, so this is the premium paid that we are going to do. So it's a simple buy call option. Then there is another variation which is called sell call. How it What's the difference between a buy call and sell call? Very simple difference between buy call and sell call. You just need to do a mirror image of it with which will be the axis through which you are going to do make a mirror image. The axis will be the price. So this is again going to be a graph that we are going to have. This is the payoff matrix. Okay, this is the price. Okay, again we are going to make an graph here. Let's say we're going to take this. It will be the vertical image, just the vertical image. So in this say you have sold an option. Okay, means you are a seller. You have sold an option. So you don't you're obliged, if the buyer executes this option, you're obliged to sell it at a particular rate. So for example, you have sold this much here, okay, and the market moves against you. Market have moved against you. So what I'm going to do that in this range will be your loss. It will be the loss for you, and this is the premium that you received. Okay, so this is the simple. If you want to see how, how a buy call and sell call would look like, just add these two. So just think of it as a very simple intuition that I normally use. I want to use. Suppose this is negative, this is positive. This is again positive, and this is negative. Add this, overlap these two, and what I am going to do? these two should cancel out. You should get a horizontal line. Very basic intuition. Either you can make a mirror image from it, okay, and even very simple arrangement that you are going to look how to make another question by put. Okay, another example by put. Very simple intuition frameworks. So here we are going to make a mirror maze from vertical axis. Okay. From vertical axis, we are going to make a mirror image. This is your graph. Again, payoff, and this is the price. Okay. What will so how we make a bipod like this? We are just going to make a mirror image of it through vertical axis. So our graph would look like this. Cool. What I'm necessarily going to do here? What does it mean? Option to buy, option to sell, but not the obligation to sell. Not the obligation to sell. This is the simple intuition that it is conveying by put. Cool. So what will you use? So you bought an option. So means you have paid a premium. So you bought an option. So you paid a premium. So this is the premium that you have paid. Okay. And if market moves here, like if market just comes down and you sold an option to sell at a particular higher price point, so you are going to just get a profit. So this is the area that where you are going to get profit. It is the your profit reason. The maximum loss in case that you can have is this premium paid. Okay, and now we are going to make a video on sell put. Cool. How, what is a sell put? Again, same intuition. We are going to make an mirror image through x-axis of bipod. Mirror image through x-axis of bipod. Okay. Again, drawing same. What is this? This is payoff, and this is the our price. Okay. How we do? How we have drawn bipod? We have drawn like this. We are going to just make a mirror image out of this. First, drawing the premium that we receive, and this is the our payoff. Good. Simple intuition to sell. Obligation to sell. Obligation. You sold the option to sell. Obligation to sell when buyer utilizes the option. Cool. So this is the area that you received the premium received, and this is the area if market move against you. So for example, it have moved against this side, so you are going to incur some losses there. So this is the negative payoff that you're going to have. So these are the four ways you can make the payoff diagram of sell put, buy put, sell call, buy call.